We are at Stearman Airfield today. We come out every once in a while. They have great breakfast. You can watch the planes come in and out, but once a year, they drop pumpkins out of planes, and you can't miss that.
It's awesome.
It's a must come to.
It's a huge draw for Wichita too.
There are people everywhere.
All right, so they're getting ready to start. The planes are lining up. There is a target out in the middle. I'm gonna see who can get closest to it, and it's gonna be awesome, you guys.
So far, everyone has been way off target.
They have. They need to get their act together. They're figuring it out, though. I'm sure they'll nail it soon.
Yeah, and hey, Chris, you know, you made fun of us because people like go out to watch fire billet.
This is the other thing we do.
Yeah, look at all those people over there, right over there.
I mean, this is pretty impressive, right, Chris?
That's right.
So what that means is, when we declared that title, we were making the most airplanes of any place in the world. I'm not sure that we still do, but we still call ourselves the air capital.
All right, so there are a ton of airplane manufacturers in the area. We have Cessna, Boeing, Beechcraft, Bombardier, Lear. They're all here. They got their start here. So you might be asking yourself, why in the heck did all these people want to build planes in Wichita? If you look at a map, you'll notice that we're actually right in the middle of the U.S. They call us mid-continent. That was the name of our old airport before they changed it to Eisenhower. But we were safe during World War II. We were a nice, safe place right in the middle of the country where if we got invaded, it would be really hard to get to Wichita in order to bomb the places where we were making our planes.
And geographically, because we live in the plains, it's very flat. That's why it's so windy here, but it also makes it great for flying airplanes. This was a fun event as usual. We'll see you later, and in case we don't see you, good afternoon.
Good evening.
And good night.
Be sure to like, comment,